everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to add friends on eFootball. If you want to add friends on eFootball, then first of all, open up eFootball on your device and wait for the main menu to load. From the home screen, tap on the two human icon at the top of the screen. This will open up the Friends tab. Go to Pending at the top and then tap on Send Friend Request. Now enter a username you are trying to search for. After you search for the contact, you will be able to see them on the screen. Go ahead and check if that's the contact you are trying to add, and once it is, tap on Send. You will then be able to send a friend request to the person. Just make sure that you are entering their user ID or their username correct. Your friend will receive a request. Once they accept, they'll show up on your friend list. Once you are friends, you can then invite them to online matches, co-op games, and even compete in events. So that's how you can add friends in eFootball and level up the fun by playing together. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.